Today video I'm going to show you how you can exactly identify the top and the bottom and how you can enter the trade. I'm using this scenario. This is the I'm at today's August 5th 2024. It's mean we faced a huge crypto crash, so that's the reason that why I am going to create this video, that you can guys identify the way the market crashing and before, how you can identify the before the market crash. So I'm going to show you the exactly how to identify the tops and how to identify the bottom in this video. So first of all, I would like to invite to YouTube my subscribe my YouTube channel, and it's all about cryptos. So I already did a video about how to find a BTC top and bottom. This is some kind of fundamental analysis, and it's using this tool called Former Finder. You can use that tool to identify top and bottom. So that tool will help you to find the where you are in the top or where you are in the bottom. So and also and also I'm in this video today I'm going to show you how you can identify the tops and bottom using technical and very simple technical method, and we using bearish divergence and bullish divergence. So you need to understand what is bearish and bullish and what is divergence is. First, you can see regular divergence. There is a two type of regular divergence. Divergence means it's happen. Divergence means it's in reversal patterns. It mean let me show you that clear pattern. You can see this is the chart and this is the indicator. It's mean RSI, and this is the price in I'm sorry, this is bullish and this is bearish. You don't need to talk about this hidden one, because it's a continuation pattern. It mean we are not using this hidden divergence for reversal as a reversal pattern. We are using bullish and this is the two pattern that you need to understand. In the chart you can see, in the bullish movement you can see in the lower lows in the chart and higher lows in the indicator. That means bullish. It means if you chart going down, and that's a movement that it's reversing. And in the bearish movement you can see higher highs in the chart and higher lows in the indicator. It means that bearish, it's going to go down. So let me show that the way how that's work. So first of all, I'm using this chart, and I'm using this chart. So this is the BTC USD chart. This is the 30% crash, huge crash. You can see exactly 30% down. So in the bull market, 30% dumps are the best. So anyway, I'm going to show how to identify the top first. So first you can see here, this is the top place. I'm thinking in this, in this move, this is the top. So I'm using tool, that trend line tool, and I'm click on that tool, and I'm drawing to backs. Okay, and that movement I met another highs, and you can see higher highs here, and in the RSI you can easily identify these higher lows. Okay, so and the second movement I'm choosing what is the tops like this and this. You can see this almost similar. So I'm using trend line tool, and I'm draw a line here. You can see this is not higher lows or higher highs, it is the double top pattern. So double top means if the double top happen like this, so we can also use as some kind of a divergence, but we call that double top, not divergence anyway. So you can see these are the same height, not like this. So we after we see the double top type, we are analyze the RSI. When you analyze the RSI, you can see it's going down. The RSI shows that we are going down. RSI shows that we are going down. Even if it double top, RSI shows we are going down. It's mean we are going down. So this is the second place that you can see the top, and you can identify the top. And the third time, this is the top, and I'm draw a line back to next area. So you can see uh, higher highs happen here. It's higher than this high, and then you can see the market is reversing something like this, and lower lows here. So after you can see this scenario, you can short the market. You can easily short the market. So that's the way you can identify the tops, and this is very easy method. And also let me to show you this thing, and you can see this is what is happening on here. You can click this high and draw a line back to this high. You can see higher highs happen on this chart, and then you can draw like this, and it also happening another bearish divergence. So this is a two bearish divergence play here. So it's mean it definitely some type of crash here. So that's the way you can identify the BTC reversal at the top. And now I'm going to show you that identifying the bottom place. So this is I'm also using this place to how to find this reversal movement. So for that I'm not using the daily, because it's not clear enough to make a decision in daily. I'm using that the 4-hour chart to show the exactly how to identify the bottoms. So in here you can see this is the first tops, and then this is the bottom. This is the bottom, and let me show you the divergence first. So first of all, you need to find the bottom here, and I'm drawing line back to there. You can see lower lows are forming here. Low lows are forming here. It's mean, and also RSI shows some type of this. RSI showing some type of I'm sorry, something wrong with the RSI that I cannot draw here. Anyway, let's move back to the other place. I think some error in my trading. Okay, I think that's fixed now. So you can see this is the chart, this is the price action. You can see the lower lows here, okay, low lows here, and this is in this place you can see the higher higher low, but it's a very slightly movement of not exactly a huge angle. It's a very slightly angle movements, but you can see slightly movement of the angle, and you can see the what is happening here. So slight movement of the angle, but even it's a slight movement, slight angle, it's played like a divergence. So that's the one place that you can identify the reversal point. And the second place, here I'm drawing to low lows here, and then I'm going back to RSI. You can see this is the bottom, and it's here, and you can see this is the higher lows in the RSI, and the way that you can identify the bottom. Okay, the and now I am at the moment this place, but you can see this is the not the bottom exactly. We cannot sure the bottom, we cannot identify the bottom because there's no any RSI, there's no any RSI even further down there. So what we should have, what we need to happen, what we need to happen for create a divergence here, something like this, something like something like this need to be happen. Okay, something like this need to be happen. So it's mean in the chart, we need to have a lower loss, and in the divergence place in the RSI, for the divergence we need to have something like this. So it mean if it's this type of thing happen, we can expect the reversal and identify the bottom. So I hope you guys the understanding what is happening here. So how the RSI and divergence and I identify the Bitcoin top and bottom. So this might be a not something like this, it's also something like this can also happen. Okay, this type of double bottom forming also can happen. So that's the way you can identify Bitcoin tops and bottom in simple ways.